you go through the process of divorce?
Nitwathie through the process of divorce. Na actually mutumia no initiated na dige hesitate tondu ni ndageretie my part. Uri ingia hotete uri ndagire gwika nda hotete gwika na ngona riu hati undu ngika no tuthie through na divorce process hiyo. And I can tell you it's not an easy thing. Tondu ni wira murito muno.
After how many years of marriage?
We are talking of 32 years.
32.
Yes.
Muthuri ni atwikaga so broken ni divorce.
Let me tell you. If it were not for this lady, umuthi ni ndingiraria uguo ndiraria. Ndingiraria. Athuri tukora thina umwe. Tutihotaga kwaria. Ni ndingihota kumagana na guthii kere muthuri ungi maundu ma ndiragere
waku.
For that fear ati no athi ere mundu ungi. Ngurie muthuri erete guconorithio. Ndendaga. It is not a good thing. It's not even godly. Na mundu othe ici no eke uguo ri. Na ngeri ndina maithori maingi uguo ri. In this same process, ni ndo ukom ni ndakwonithia maundu maingi muno. Ni ndakora 2019 ni ndaruzia my mom. Na that movement with America, with Kenya, it's not easy. And especially when you go back, you have lost your mom. Nobody is reaching out. Your main company ni wira. Ndungikiariria wira. Na kuri andu matithia makiaragia. You cannot go talking your stuff. It's not even legal. You cannot talk to anybody about your private issues. Ukore maundu mothe makome very official. Ni murie maundu na you can never get personal. Ona guo ndio ni hoyaga. Ndigithi kuhoera mundu oro uguo. No kinya ya mbere muri kana tuhoe nake. Tuwe na elimu.
Video call.
Video call ile kwaja.
Let me cut you short kidogo. Toni muthenya ucio okirire oriri na agithie ngari-ini. Muthenya ucio niguo ndetikirie suicide ona andu aria makuaga it is an attack.
Ni ku attemptaga suicide.
Tiko attempt.
Are so sure. But trust me, it's an attack.
Yeah, ndio ukora ukonetiri. It was not nitinde dawe ko hu. It was a very serious attack. Tona ngimoriri ni ndaigua ati ona kira ya gikora na kira kuhuthira. So it was not guesswork. They had the garage.
Had you were into depression or something?
It must have been. Tota uri no igwa ndo ndathi gwiko ni ndokite ngaikara kwa 6 months.
Kidogo. Hindi oroka gwika uguo ni hindi uma Kenya. After ru mieri twacaba nake riu wega.
6 months.
Hindi divorce ni thire through.
No, in the process.
Riu ni kurikirira rarikirira. So ni ageragia kuona uria agi get solace from me. Hindi oni nani aikara those 6 months dia kigenda. So na ndathi wira-ini ngarugama ngaimba maguru. Tondu riu nini ni support system riu ya nyumba na maundu mothe. And muthuri ni ndonaga so broken. Na ndera Ngai undeithie ndimunyitirire ihinda riri na ndakanoke kuriganirwo tondu he was so broken. He handu twakinya ona kwaria uguo kona akirira because yake ndiari just divorce. It was so messy. It is wrong to talk about someone else. No, ni agereti kumutanish even to friends. Nona, he's a man. Ugo uraigwa kiuga mudrume ni ari igo yake, mudrume ndendaga kurutwo njaga yake hari andu. Mutumia ucio portrait a picture njuru ya George iria wetari. Because I can tell you maundu mau mothe ugaga George ari 5 years going to 6 years. Nigionete maundu mau ugaga because ndagitura hithite.
True.
Yeah.
So hindi no urathie kunywa dawa eno yo na video call nake.
Yes. Incidentally kumara twamenyania nake tutihoragia thimu day and night. The phone is on. Uko maita maingĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩ-communicate.
Hau niho njĩrire ndenda ũige ciana ciothe hau tondũ ndenda gũciĩra bye bye and I just want to die.